Team View. Hello. In a previous tutorial, we explained how the calendar in Noseby works. It provides a chronological view of the whole team's tasks. Now, let's take a look at the team's workload from another perspective. In the Team View, you can quickly see all the tasks in the projects that you are in. In contrast to the Project List view, this is where you can see a single list with all the tasks that are assigned to a specific person sorted by project. You don't need to be the team admin to access this section. Let's have a look at our small team section. I'm sure Sarah and our graphic designer are pretty busy. When you enter Team View, you will see all your coworkers. You are at the very top. Below, you can see your team admins followed by team members and then people from outside your team who you share projects with. If you are the team admin, you can add new team members here. There is another YouTube video dedicated to this topic, and you can find the link in the description of this video. This view is especially great if you are a team leader. You can easily review your team's tasks and progress here. Of course, you only see tasks from the projects you are a part of. You have no access to your subordinates' private projects. As a regular team member, you can also be curious about what your colleagues are working on. Team View is the perfect place for that.